Apple earnings missed expectations, driving shares down in after-hours trading. Hi there, I'm Lauren Rutzer in San Francisco, and joining me is MarketWatch technology editor Dan Gallagher. So what happened to Apple this quarter?
Well, with Apple now, it's all about the iPhone these days, and analysts were expecting iPhone to drop from the March quarter, the unit sales, and they did, but they dropped a lot more than people thought they would. So that, I think, drove the earnings miss. We have this rumored launch of the new iPhone coming up later this year, so obviously there's a fair number of customers that are starting to hold off purchases, waiting for that, and that seems to be the biggest culprit in the quarter.
Did they speak at all about this issue of people waiting for the next iPhone? Did they talk about that at all on the call today?
A little bit. I mean, Apple's in an interesting spot because they're super secretive about their products, so they've never even confirmed that they're building a new iPhone, even though everybody believes that they are. But yeah, in the call they did say rumors and speculation of a new product had a big impact on iPhone sales. So they addressed that, they realized that. There's little more they can do about it unless they were to actually tell people early about it. Outside of that, there's not much they can do.
Did they mention at all how sales of iPads and some of their other products are doing?
iPad had actually a good quarter, 17 million units sold. It was higher than analysts had expected, so that showed some good strength. And the Mac was pretty much in line along with iPod. But the trick with Apple now is that the stock really pretty much trades on the iPhone. It's the highest margin product by far. It's the biggest revenue contributor. So, it's really all about the iPhone with them.
So what do we need to keep our eyes on for next quarter with Apple?
With that, well, it's probably going to be another quarter, I think, of rumors and speculation because everybody's expecting a new iPhone sometime in October at that period, so that gets us through the entire September quarter. So if Apple's not going to say anything about this new product, you're pretty much going to be left with what people speculate or expect it to be, and that'll probably drive the shares, make them volatile up or down, but we'll have to see how it goes.
Sounds good. All right, thanks very much, Dan. I've been speaking with Dan Gallagher, and in San Francisco, I'm Lauren Rutzer.